Hey everyone, just found about this coding challenge called Song of Ducks and Dragons. It's pretty much like Advent of Code, where every day there's a new coding challenge. And you can see today's already day 5, but I just found out about it. So yeah, there's going to be 20 in total. And let's just start with quest 1. I'm going to be doing it in a random program language. Let's see what we get. Java. Well, that's what I use at work, so hopefully it shouldn't be bad. And just noting, I will not be using AI for any of this, so let's see how that goes. Just finished day 1, it's pretty easy, so I won't do too much explanation. Essentially in the first question we get given a list of names and a bunch of instructions. Starting from the first name, go right 3 times, left 2 times, right 3 times, left once in this case. Yeah, and then just where do you end up? And if you overflow, it says here, if you overflow, so say you have 3 elements in the list and you go 5 times to the right, you just go to the furthest possible element, so you go just right 3 times, or 2 times I guess. Let's look at the code. Yeah, pretty much just what I said. We passed input in the main function here, and then once we have it, we get the direction and the magnitude. And yeah, if it's left, we have to go negative, and this is the index that we're moving by. And if we go out of bounds, we just cap it. Then in part 2, it's the same thing, but if we reach the end, we just loop over again back to the other side. So yeah, we overflow. In the code, it's pretty simple. It's pretty much the same thing here, except yeah, instead, once we reach the end, instead of capping it, we move to the other side if we need to, and we use the modulus over operator here. So say we move 10 times and the list is of size 10, we know that essentially we stay in the same place, so we don't really have to worry about the modulus difference. Then finally in part 3, it's pretty much the same as, well, yeah, it says in every instruction pretty much swap the first element with the 1, 3 to the right, etc. So here, yeah, we just get the first element and the second, we get the next element to swap with, and we get the first element here, and then we swap the 2. That's it. Pretty easy. Java overall, I use it every day for work. It's okay, it gets the job done, but it's not really great for this sort of question. A lot of stuff gets in your way. The typecasting is kind of slightly annoying because I find a lot of the time, for example, you have to do stuff like this integer.parseInt, but it's not consistent because, like a lot of times you're doing .toString to convert to a string, for example, but then you have to do integer.parseInt, and it makes sense because integer is a class and blah blah blah, but it's just kind of annoying, and having array list versus list, and yeah, I don't know, it gets the job done, but I don't love it. I give Java a 6 out of 10.